In this video, I will show you how to fix the issue of Wi-Fi connected but no internet on Android TV. Over here is my Android Smart TV and it is currently connected to the internet. For instance, if you actually come to the settings and come to network over here, you'll see that it is actually connected. The Wi-Fi is connected, but there is actually no internet. Even though there is internet connection on my Wi-Fi, and you can actually see the notifications it is giving me here. So to fix this, you have to know that the issue is usually caused by wrong date and time on your Android TV. So what you just want to go ahead and do is to go over to the settings of your Android Smart TV, and then you want to scroll down to device preferences on your TV. Then you want to go to date and time, just like so. And then for you to make sure that your TV is always up to date, you want to go over to automatic date and time and then set it to use network provided time. So just go ahead and click on OK to select that particular option. Now what this does is that it will automatically update the date and time of your TV based on the same date and time that is currently on your internet connection. So once this is done, you want to go over to your Wi-Fi again, go ahead and turn off the Wi-Fi, and then you want to turn it on again to search for available networks. And you can see that that issue has been fixed on my Android TV. So basically that is how to fix the issue of Wi-Fi connected but no internet connection on Android TV. If this video was helpful, guys, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.